just dropped a bomb on free users. You can now only post 50 times a day unless you pay for the blue checkmark. This is a huge drop from 2,400. Let's talk about it. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. X, formerly Twitter, has quietly introduced strict new daily limits for unverified accounts. Here's what you need to know. According to X's updated help center, unverified accounts are now limited to 50 original posts per day, 200 replies per day. That's a massive cut from the previous 2,400 posts per day limit. Once you hit the cap, you'll get an error message telling you exactly which limit you reached. X says this is to fight spam and bots, but many longtime users are not happy and are calling it a strong push to make people pay for verification. If you want to post freely, you'll need X Premium. The cheapest option, basic tier, starts at just $3 per month or $32 per year. A lot of users on Reddit and X are frustrated, saying this could drive even more people away from the platform. Others understand the spam problem, but feel the limits are too strict for normal users. So, what do you think? Is 50 posts a day fair, or is X going too far with the paywall? Drop your opinion in the comments. If you like this quick update, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech news.